For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. The cryptocurrency industry is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world. From decentralized finance, DeFi, applications to NFT platforms and crypto trading services, opportunities abound for entrepreneurs with innovative ideas. Starting a crypto business can be technically and financially challenging, but with the help of free AI tools, you can drastically lower the barriers. This guide offers a step-by-step roadmap to launching a crypto business using accessible AI platforms for ideation, planning, development, marketing, and management. Step 1. Define your crypto business concept. Start by identifying which area of crypto you want to enter. Popular ideas include launching a crypto wallet app, NFT marketplace, token project, blockchain-based game, or a crypto educational platform. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm unique ideas or identify gaps in the market. ChatGPT can help generate viable business concepts by analyzing trends and user needs. Suggested AI tool, ChatGPT. Function, idea generation, market gap analysis, trend analysis. Prompt example, generate 5 innovative crypto business ideas that can be launched with minimal upfront investment. Step 2, conduct market research and validate the idea. Use AI to perform in-depth research on competitors, target demographics, and potential market size. Free tools like Perplexity AI or U.com can aggregate web content and summarize data from recent news, forums, and white papers. ChatGPT can also be used to summarize findings and simulate customer feedback. Suggested AI tools, Perplexity AI, U.com, ChatGPT. Functions, research aggregation, competitor analysis, feedback simulation. Prompt example, summarize key trends in the crypto wallet app market and list top competitors with their strengths and weaknesses. Step 3, create a comprehensive business plan. Once your idea is validated, develop a structured business plan. This should include your value proposition, revenue model, target audience, technology stack, and financial projections. AI can simplify this step by generating a full plan based on your input. Suggested AI tool, ChatGPT. Function, business plan creation. Prompt example, create a business plan for a crypto education platform targeting beginners. Include mission, vision, SWOT analysis, and monetization strategy. Step 4. Choose your legal structure and ensure compliance. The crypto space is highly regulated. You must choose a legal structure, LLC, C Corp, etc., and understand local and international regulations. Use ChatGPT to guide you through basic legal requirements or suggest countries with crypto-friendly jurisdictions. However, always confirm with a licensed professional. Suggested AI tool, ChatGPT. Function, legal overview, compliance checklist generation. Prompt example, what are the legal and licensing requirements to start a crypto trading platform in the United States? Step 5, build a minimum viable product, MVP. Depending on your business model, you'll need to create a functional prototype. For apps or websites, you can use free AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, limited free use, or Replit AI to generate back-end and front-end code. If you don't code, try using ChatGPT to generate no-code solutions using platforms like Bubble or WordPress. Suggested AI tools, GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Replit AI. Functions, code generation, no-code guidance, bug troubleshooting. Prompt example, generate Python code for a basic cryptocurrency price tracker using CoinGecko API. Another prompt, give me a step-by-step guide to building a no-code NFT marketplace using Bubble. Step 6, create a visual identity and branding. Your business needs a name, logo, and cohesive visual identity. AI tools like Loka, limited free version, or Canva's AI-powered logo and brand kit generator can help you design assets. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm brand names and slogans. Suggested AI tools: Loca, Canva, ChatGPT. Functions: branding design, slogan creation, visual planning. Prompt example: suggest brand names and taglines for a blockchain analytics platform targeting crypto traders. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy. A successful crypto business needs a solid go-to-market plan. You can use ChatGPT to create a detailed marketing roadmap, content calendar, SEO strategy, and even social media captions. For SEO optimization, tools like Neil Patel's Ubersuggest freemium can suggest relevant keyword for blog posts or landing pages. Suggested AI tools: ChatGPT, Ubersuggest. Functions: marketing plan generation, keyword research, social media writing. Prompt example: create a 90-day digital marketing plan for a crypto wallet app, including content topics, social media channels, and ad types. Step 8. Build an online presence. Develop a website, social media profiles, and community channels like Discord or Telegram. ChatGPT can generate full website copy, FAQs, and privacy policies. If you're using WordPress, you can request instructions for setting up a site with crypto-focused plugins. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: web content creation, community guidelines, setup instructions. Prompt example: write website homepage content for a DeFi lending platform explaining how users can earn passive income. Step 9. Educate your audience and build trust. The crypto space requires a high level of user education. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast to inform your audience. ChatGPT can write blog articles, generate video scripts, or create quiz questions for onboarding users. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: content generation, educational resources, quiz creation. Prompt example: write a beginner-friendly blog post explaining the difference between custodial and non-custodial wallets. Step 10. Launch and optimize. When your MVP is ready and your community is engaged, launch your business. Use AI for real-time support through chatbots or knowledge bases created with tools like Tidio or ChatGPT API. Collect user feedback using Google Forms, then analyze responses with ChatGPT to refine your features or user experience. Suggested AI tools: ChatGPT, Tidio, Google Forms. Functions: customer support automation, feedback analysis. Prompt example: analyze these 50 survey responses and summarize top user complaints and suggestions. Step 11. Scale through partnerships and funding. Explore partnerships with crypto influencers, exchanges, or accelerators. Use ChatGPT to write pitch decks or investor emails. If targeting grants or Web3 hackathons, ask for proposal templates and tokenomics models. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: pitch deck writing, proposal drafting, tokenomics modeling. Prompt example: draft a pitch deck for a decentralized identity verification platform targeting emerging markets. Conclusion: launching a crypto business is no longer limited to tech experts or those with large capital. With the smart use of free AI tools, anyone with a clear idea and persistence can enter the blockchain industry. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.